Hi, I'm Patsy Bishop, and today we're going to make Southwest caviar.
To prepare, gently rub produce under cool running water. Ingredients: 2 cans, 15 ounces each, black-eyed peas, drained and rinsed. 3/4 cup onions, finely chopped. 1/4 cup fresh cilantro or fresh parsley, finely chopped. 2 cups picante sauce or salsa. Combine all ingredients in a large bowl. Chill before serving. Serve with tortilla chips as a side dish or as an appetizer.
If you like things spicier, you can add 2 tablespoons of jalapeno peppers.
Eat, move, save.